intentions was to record this while I was doing this, but sometimes I be bullshitting around and I ain't really want to record all of that. But it's coming along, I guess. Some new additions to the crew right there. And Bella and man, of course. I just got this wall put up, but it's kind of crooked. It's just gonna be like that till I get everything squared away. I got 2 more pallets to put on, and then I'm gonna cut a door, like right in between here somewhere. Like just cut away, just cut right into the middle with 2 of the pallets, and just put the door right in the middle. So basically, the middle 2 pallets is where the door will be sitting. Kind of in the middle with this beam, with this stud. But yeah, I just had these old pallets sitting around. Somebody gave them to me about 2 years ago. And I'm just gonna put them to use, man. We'll make a couple structures right here. Maybe make a couple, like pins, I'm sorry. There's gonna be one right here, then one on this side. Let me see what you have. And I only built it this big so I can hang this chicken, this rabbit hutch on the back here. So I could kind of have everything like in one spot. And come out here and take care of all the things I need to take care of at one time. Hey Lola. Names were girl too. But anyway, that's just an update. We guys supposed to get the tractor out here today. We got it, but he got it way in the back. And we're gonna go and do some work to this. It's a road that runs right along on that side of where that big pine tree is there. It's a road there. There's also one on the other side too. It's both on my property. I'm gonna use this one for a driveway. And it goes all the way back to my other property. So we're gonna start using that road instead of this one over here. You've probably seen the condition of this road. We try to keep them, we try to keep it like halfway drivable. But it's just a lot of sand here. Sand hills in North Carolina. To the next update. Me and the crew.